In this video, we are going to learn how to remove a jammed rusty screw. In order to do that, we'll just remove the cover of the tap. Then we will apply WD-40. It is a multi-purpose spray which is used as a cleanser, a degreaser, and as a lubricant as well. So after applying it, we'll just allow it to penetrate inside it for some time, and then we'll apply a screwdriver. So generally it is a minus screwdriver, so we'll just apply the minus screwdriver there and try to open it up with the full force. There are different type of screws available in the market. So generally here we have a slotted type or a flat type screw, or flat type screwdriver is used to open this. So in order to open it, we need to apply full force in a counterclockwise direction so that it should come out easily. But as you can see, it is not coming out easily. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use one slotted type screwdriver and a hammer. Now you have to put the tip of the screwdriver on the edge of the slot and just move this valve in such a way that I can easily access the slot. And now you can see the tip is sitting on the slot, and now slowly I'll tap with the hammer, and you should make at least a degree of 45 to 60 degree, and you should slowly tap it with the help of hammer. Now you can see now it is easily moving up. Now rotate the screw in the anti-clockwise direction or a counterclockwise direction. So now you can see it is easily coming up. Yeah, now you see, I will show you in the camera how rusty it was. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.